Hey YouTube and everybody else from wherever you're watching this video, and welcome for this feature video based on Kingston's A1000 SSD. This SSD is heavily competitive toward other SSDs that are aimed at the budget market for SSDs. At 30 cents a gig, it's definitely an SSD that you're going to want to consider for your system. For us particularly, we put this SSD inside of our Avatar system that is slated for review early next year, and let me explain why. So, specifications put this at an ultra low latency SSD, great for small form factor PCs as I just originally indicated. Also consider the fact that its read and write performance is 1500 read and 1000 meg, which is just below a PCI Express 3.0.2 lane, which really means this SSD doesn't need 4 lanes in order for it to operate at its potential. So if you have a motherboard that reduces the maximum bandwidth in an M.2 slot in favor of either SATA devices or other PCI Express 1 slots that are usable on the board, you can use this SSD without ease without losing any performance. What do you think? I mean, either way, it's just going to depend on the kind of performance. Girafter. See what I did there? Stay tuned for other videos based on the hardware that we're going to put in our review systems. There will be more, I promise. See you next time.